Hello everyone! In today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Facebook Story no views problem. So first up, what you can try is to close and restart the Facebook app. So just open the Facebook app right here, drag it all the way up, and then close the app. Sometimes simply closing and reopening the app can fix minor glitches. It's also worth checking your internet connection, so just make sure you have a stable internet connection. You can also try switching between Wi-Fi to mobile data. Another step you can try is clearing Facebook's app cache. You can do this by tapping on Facebook or long pressing, and then you can also remove the app and try to reinstall it. So this is one way you can clear the app's cache on iPhone. You can also try restarting your iPhone. So from here, just head to the control panel. If you have the option to restart here, then you can use that, or you can also hold on the lock button until the restart button appears. Another thing you can try is making sure that your app is up to date. So just check on the App Store and then search for Facebook to see if there are any pending updates. Now lastly, if none of these steps work, it's worth reporting the problem directly to Facebook. You can do this by heading to the app and then tap on Menu and then look for Help and Support. Then from there, report a problem. And that's it for today. Thanks for tuning in, and I'll see you next time.